So yeah, I'm not really good with talk, video talk or something. I don't know how to call it, but yeah, I'll be trying most um as much as possible to. There's so many things I want to do, so I'll just unfiltered. I'll be doing one step at a time. You get? I'll just like I posted this my work. Yeah, I'm into cleaning. I'll be posting a lot of random stuff, but just communicate or comment with the one you feel relatable to you. Yeah, thank you.